Sit comfortably on the mat with your legs crossed. Keep your spine tall and your shoulders relaxed. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Allow your body to arrive. Gently tilt your head to the right, bringing your ear toward your shoulder. Keep both shoulders relaxed. Slowly switch to the other side and breathe calmly. Extend your legs forward. Slowly fold your upper body over your legs. Let your head and arms relax. Feel a gentle stretch along your back. Come onto all fours. Round your spine upward, pressing the floor away with your hands. Let your head drop and feel the stretch in your back. Lower your belly toward the mat and lift your chest. Look slightly forward. Open your chest and lengthen your spine. Sit your hips back toward your heels. Stretch your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Relax your back and breathe deeply. From all fours, slide your right arm under your chest, palm facing up. Rest your shoulder if comfortable. Feel the stretch in your upper back. Then switch sides. Lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape. Keep your knees slightly bent if needed. Let your head hang heavy and lengthen your spine. Step forward and slowly fold your upper body over your legs. Let your arms and head hang freely. Release tension from your back and neck. Place your hands on your shins and lift your chest halfway up. Keep your back long and your neck relaxed. Breathe steadily. Step one foot back and lower the knee to the mat. Bend the front knee and lift your chest. Feel a gentle stretch through your hips and lower back. Sit upright with legs extended. Bend one knee and gently twist your upper body toward it. Keep your spine tall and breathe into the twist. Lie on your back and pull both knees toward your chest. Gently hug your legs. Feel your lower back melting into the mat. Drop both knees to one side while keeping your shoulders relaxed on the floor. Turn your head gently in the opposite direction. Switch sides slowly. Lie flat on your back with arms by your sides. Let your feet fall open naturally. Close your eyes and fully relax. Stay here and enjoy the calm.